the ultimate ceiling glow-up. Ensenior 6-inch LED recessed lights. Dimmable, ultra-bright and hassle-free. Why settle for just one lighting tone when you can have 5 in one? With Ensenior's 6-inch LED recessed lights, you get adjustable color temperatures, 2700 to 5000 Kelvin, to match every vibe, warm and cozy for movie nights, bright and crisp for workspaces. With just a simple click on the junction box, you can fine-tune your space to perfection. Whether it's your kitchen, bedroom, bathroom, or office, these lights seamlessly adapt to any setting. No more regretting your choice of lighting, switch it up anytime. Tired of high electricity bills? These 12 watts LED lights shine at a blazing 1050 lumens, delivering the brightness of a 100 watts bulb while saving you up to 88% on energy costs. Plus, they're Energy Star certified, ensuring maximum efficiency with minimal power consumption. The frosted lens prevents harsh glares and scratches, giving you smooth, flawless illumination every time. Whether you need gentle dim lighting for a cozy evening or full brightness for a high-energy workspace, the 5% to 100% dimmable feature ensures your lighting works for you, not against you. Old-school recessed lights need bulky cans, not these bad boys. Designed with a slim, canless wafer design, these lights fit even in tight ceiling spaces, requiring just 2 inches of clearance. Installation is so easy, even a DIY rookie can do it. Just cut the hole, connect the wires, and clip it in place. Done in minutes, no expensive contractors, no frustrating wiring mishaps. Plus, the IC-rated junction box ensures thermal protection, meaning these lights stay cool and safe, even when installed near insulation. Some lights fizzle out in humidity and moisture, but these IC-rated and ETL-certified LED downlights are built to handle damp locations like bathrooms, basements, and even covered outdoor spaces. Whether it's a steamy hot shower or a humid summer evening, your lighting stays consistent and reliable. No flickering, no overheating, just flawless performance for years to come. With a 50,000-hour lifespan and a 5-year warranty, this might just be the last set of ceiling lights you ever need. Why spend a fortune on high-end lighting when you can get superior brightness, premium features, and long-term durability for less? With Ensenior's 12-pack LED recessed lights, you transform your home for a fraction of the cost. Their sleek, modern design adds a touch of class and elegance, making any room look like a pro-design masterpiece. Plus, they pay for themselves in energy savings over time. Don't settle for outdated, dim, or ugly ceiling lights, give your home the glow-up it deserves today.